looking at a single word today that carries just a surprising amount of weight and history. We're talking about the word endow.
What word perfectly captures the absolute essence of providing something that lasts far, far beyond a fleeting moment? Well, that is exactly the space our word occupies today.
So as a verb, endow has three distinct yet deeply connected meanings. First, to provide someone or something with a quality, ability, or talent. Second, to give money, property, or other assets permanently to an institution, organization, or charity. And third, to equip or furnish with a gift or resource. Now, before we start actually using this powerful word, we need to know exactly how to say it. It's pronounced endow. You really want to put that verbal weight right there on the second syllable. Tracing the word's origins. Let's move to and see how this builds across history. We actually start way back in Latin with dos, meaning a dowry or a gift. That smoothly transitions into late Latin as indotere, specifically meaning to provide with a dowry. As it travels into Old French, it softens a bit into endower, expanding slightly to mean providing or enriching. Then, crossing into Middle English, we get endowen, before it finally settles into the modern English word we use today, endow. Synonyms and antonyms. On the left side, we've got synonyms that are just overflowing with generosity. Now, contrast that bright energy with the stark, cautionary nature of the antonyms on the right. By seeing its opposites, that dark shadow of taking away, we can truly appreciate the warm, giving light that endow brings to any conversation. The word family. Imagine a generous local philanthropist. As the endower, she's currently endowing a hospital with a brand new research center. Because of her incredible gift, the hospital now has a massive endowment, and the pediatric wing is officially endowed. See? Mastering these forms gives you the golden key to using the word confidently. It's the exact same core concept, just flexing to fit different parts of a sentence. Endow in action. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is how seamlessly this word functions across completely different realms of life. In the simple present, we see it in biology. Nature endows every species with unique abilities. Jump to academics for the present continuous, the foundation is endowing several new scholarships. We have the historical context in the simple past. The king endowed the cathedral with vast lands. And finally, in the realm of art and imagination, the past continuous. She was endowing her characters with unique personalities. The verb endow does not have any common English idioms built around it. As we wrap up this explainer, I want to leave you with this final thought. How has nature or your own life experience endowed you with unique skills? I challenge you to reflect on your own personal gifts today, and I genuinely hope you leave here eager to use your newly enriched vocabulary. Thanks so much for learning with me.